Rg is a regulator 1 to 12 months. After the toxin removal from the body, Rg exerts a balancing effect to restore the body function to normal. Rg is a builder 6 to 24 months. Rg builds and heals body parts that are injured or damaged. It strengthens the body, immune system, restores mental calmness and gives more resistance to disease. Rg supplies essential elements such as minerals and triterpenoids for the recovery of body function. Rg is a regenerator 1 to 3 years. It ensures our body is functioning at its optimum level, which is actually a rejuvenating effect and thus restores youthful appearance, strength and peacefulness of mind. Ganoderma lucidum GL Ganocelium is the mycelium of Ganoderma lucidum, the root of the mushroom, which has been dried and powdered at only 18 days old. It supplies a whole spectrum of vitamins to our body and serves as an oxygen supplier.